Hello everyone, I'm Divya, your math facilitator, and I'm here with a very important and most confusing topic. So, let me help you to solve it within minutes. Okay, so you can expect essay question from this model, and let's begin the session. So, before I start, I want you all to be ready with your pen and book as usual because without practice, you cannot solve maths. Okay, so let's begin the session, people. Yes. We are going to solve the problems on Euclid's division lemma. We know Euclid's division lemma is nothing but A is equal to BQ plus R. What does it mean? So suppose if I am having a dividend A and a divisor B, if I divide, okay, I get a quotient Q and a remainder R. Or in simple words, suppose if I want to divide 6 by 2, okay, 2 3 is a 6 and remainder is 0. So I can simply write 6 is equal to 2 into 3 plus the remainder. Okay, clear? Is this clear? And always you see your remainder will either be 0, okay, or it will be 0 or it will be less than 0. Sorry. It will be either 0 or it will be greater than 0, but it will be less than your b value. Clear? Okay, so let's proceed. Use Euclid's division lemma to show that cube of any positive integer is of the form 3p plus 1, 3p plus 2, 3p plus 1, 3p plus 2. So it is something like, identify the model, it is like A is equal to bq plus r. Okay, where in the place of b can you find 3 here? Okay, so let us take, okay, let A be the positive integer. Okay, and what is our b value here? B value is 3. Okay, b is equal to 3. You from the question you will have to identify b is equal to 3. So if b is 3, your remainder will be either 0 or less than b, isn't it? So 0, 1 and 2. 2 is less than b. So how many reminders you have? 0, 1 and 2. So along with this you will have 3 cases. Okay, the number of reminders will tell you the number of cases. So we have 3 cases. Okay, and using Euclid's division lemma, what can I write here? A is equal to BQ plus R, isn't it? But here A is nothing but B is 3. So 3Q plus R. Let this be equation number 1. So first case, let me take the remainder as 0. If I take remainder as 0, my first equation will be A is equal to 3Q plus 0. So it is simply 3Q. Now what we have to prove? We have to prove the cube of any positive integer. So I have to cube here. A is a positive integer, but I want the cube of that. So cubic on both sides. Okay, suppose in the same question, if they're asking you square instead of cube, they said square. Then you will square on both the sides. Okay, so whether you have to cube or square depends on the question. In the question, they said cube, so you have to cube on both the sides. So a cube is equal to 3q whole cube. Okay, cube of the positive integer is 3q whole cube. Okay, I can write this as 3 into 3 square into q cube. Can I write like this? 3 cube I can split it as 3 into 3 square. Okay, or simply I can write this as 3 into some integer p. Why are you only taking p? Because in the question they gave you as p. Okay, p is the integer, so you take it as p. Okay, here you write where p is nothing but I took it as 3 square into 9 cube. So a cube of any integer, I got it as 3p. Now let us take case 2. Okay, r equal to 1. If r is 1, equation 1 will become a is equal to 3q plus 1. Now what we should do? We have to cube because in the question they asked cube of the integer. So cubic on both sides. A cube is equal to 3q plus 1 whole cube. So this is like a plus b whole cube formula. Okay, so what is that? A plus b whole cube formula మీకు రావాలి. So a cube plus b cube plus 3 a square into b plus 3 a into b square. You should know the formula. Otherwise, substitution will be difficult for you. Okay. So a cube, a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3 a square b plus 3 a b square. Now substitute. See here. This is 3 cube is 27 q cube plus 1 plus 3 into this is 9q square plus 3 into 3q. Now just have a look here. ఈ 1 ఒకటి పక్క పెట్టేస్తాయి. ఈ 1 ఒకటి. From everything I can take 3 common. 3 into 3q. So plus 1. This one I am just keeping it aside. So from all these I can take 3 common. So I'll have 3 common. So 9q cube plus 9q square plus 3q plus 1. Now this entire whatever you have in the bracket, this entire thing, let us put it as p. Okay, so you'll get 3p plus 1. Clear? So that is equal to cube of the number is 3p plus 1. Now let us check the next case. Case 3. What is case 3? R is equal to 2. So your equation 1 will become a is equal to 3q plus 2. Now we have to cube. Why only we cube? Because it is asked in the question. So a cube plus 3q. Sorry, a cube is equal to 3q plus 2 whole cube. That is equal to again a plus b whole cube formula. So a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square. So again from this you can see 8. See, I'm just writing it as it is because anyway we can take 3 common from everything. Okay, from everything you can take 3 common. Here I have to prove it as 3p plus 2. Okay, I mind lo pettukondi. So whatever number I get, I'll write it in the last. Okay, so 3 into, as it is I'm writing, I'm not even solving it. Okay, this 8 I'm writing it in the last. So now 8 is bigger than b value. Okay, but reminder cannot be bigger than b value. Okay, so 8 also we have to split. How will you split? B value is 3. So 3 table lo 8 ekkada potundo chudandi. So we know 3 2s are 6. Okay, so if I divide 8 by 3, I get 3 2s are 6. 2 is a reminder. So 8 I can write as 6 plus 2. Now from all this till here, till 6, I can take 3 common. Okay, if I take 3 common, I'll get something here. All this. Okay, so from here we can take common. So Q, this is whole cube, right? Yes. So 1 3 if I take common, I'll have 2 more 3's here. So 3 square is 9. So 9q cube plus again 3q square into 2. Only 1 3 you are taking common. Plus this 3 if I take common, I'll have 3q into 4. Plus from 6 if I take 3 common, I'll have 2 plus 2. And this entire thing you can write it as p. So 3p plus 2. So see here. The cube of a number you got it as 3p in the first case. Second case you got 3p plus 1. Third case you got 3p plus 2. So that's how we prove it. Isn't it easy? Okay, you just have to understand how to do. Okay, I hardly used a plus b whole cube formula here. Nothing else. So let's see one more question. So here I have to prove that the square of a number is 5n or 5n plus 1 or 5n plus 4. Okay, so compare. Here it is like 5n, 5n plus 1, 5n plus 4. So comparing it with bq plus r, your b is 5 here. Okay, so let a be the number. Okay, a be the positive integer. Okay, your b value from the question is 5, which means your r value is 0, 1, 2, 3 and till 4. So how many cases? You will have 5 cases. So case 1, okay, before that using Euclid's division lemma, what do? You write A is equal to B cube plus R. Here B is 5, so 5 cube plus R. Let this be equation 1. So case 1, let us take R equal to 0. So your A equal to 5 cube. Now what we have to do, you have to square. Okay, because in the question square is given, so you have to square. So squaring on both the sides, A square equal to 5 cube whole square. Or you can write as 5 into 5 cube square. So 5 into 5 square you can write as n. Why only n? Because that is given in the question. ఇంతకుముందు క్వశ్చన్ లో p ఇచ్చారు. సో p తీసుకున్నాం. ఇప్పుడు n ఇచ్చారు. ఏ లెటర్ ఇస్తే ఆ లెటర్ తీసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, సో స్క్వేర్ ఆఫ్ ద నంబర్ I wrote as 5n. Okay, so let us take case 2. Case 2, r equal to 1. So first equation will be a is equal to 5 cube plus 1. Now what we have to do, you have to square. Squaring on both the sides, a square equal to 5 cube plus 1 whole square. So that is a plus b whole square formula, a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. So ఈ రెండిట్లోంచి 5 కామన్ తీయొచ్చు చూడండి. సో 5 కామన్ తీస్తే 5 క్యూ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 2 వస్తుంది. ఈ 1 పక్కకు రాసుకుందాం. సో దిస్ ఇస్ లైక్ 5 ఇంటూ ఈ మొత్తాన్ని ఎన్ని తీసుకుంటే 5n ప్లస్ 1 సెకండ్ వచ్చేసింది. అవునా? నెక్స్ట్ థర్డ్ చూడండి, కేస్ 3 r ఈక్వల్ టు 2 తీసుకుంటే first equation will be a is equal to 5 cube plus 2. Now again we have to square. Steps అన్ని same ప్రతి case లో. So squaring a square equal to 5 cube plus 2 whole square. So that is 5 cube whole square plus 2 square, a square plus b square plus 2 a b. ఇందులోంచి 5 కామన్ తీయొచ్చు చూడండి. సో 5 కామన్ తీస్తే 5 క్యూ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 2 ఇంటూ 2 వస్తుంది. ప్లస్ 2 స్క్వేర్ అంటే 4. ఈ 2 స్క్వేర్ ఇక్కడ రాస్తే 4. సో 5 ఇంటూ ఈ మొత్తాన్ని మళ్ళీ మనం ఎంత తీసుకుంటే 5n ప్లస్ 4 వచ్చేసింది. సో థర్డ్ కేస్ వచ్చేసింది. సో ఇది 3 వచ్చేసింది. బట్ వీ హ్యావ్ ఫ్యూ మోర్ కేసెస్ కదా. సో కేస్ 4 r ఈక్వల్ టు 2 అయిపోయింది కదా, ఇప్పుడు 3 తీసుకోండి. సో a ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 5 క్యూబ్ ప్లస్ 3 అవుతుంది. ఓకే, సో అగైన్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు స్క్వేర్ చేసినప్పుడు a స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్ టు 5 క్యూబ్ ప్లస్ 3 హోల్ స్క్వేర్. సో 5 క్యూబ్ స్క్వేర్ a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this is 25q square plus 9 plus 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30q. ఇప్పుడు ఈ నంబర్ని పక్కకి రాయమని చెప్పాను కదా, సో పక్కకి రాసేయండి. ఇట్ ఇస్ 9. బట్ సీ హియర్ యువర్ b వాల్యూ ఇస్ 5. ఇక్కడ వచ్చిన నంబర్ పెద్దది. ఇందాక కూడా చెప్పాను, ఒకవేళ అక్కడ వచ్చిన నంబర్ పెద్దది, ఇక్కడ 8 బిగ్గర్ దాన్ 3 అలా వస్తే స్ప్లిట్ చేయమని చెప్పాను. ఎస్, డివైడ్ చేయాలి, బి వాల్యూతో డివైడ్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ కూడా చూడండి 9 వచ్చింది అండ్ మన బి వాల్యూ ఎంత 5. సో 9ని 5తో డివైడ్ చేస్తే 5 1s are 5, రిమైండర్ ఇస్ 4. సో ఈ 9ని మనం ఎట్లా రాయొచ్చు, 5 1s are 5 ప్లస్ రిమైండర్ 4. ఇప్పుడు ఈ మొత్తంలోంచి 5 కామన్ తీయొచ్చు. సో యూ గెట్ 5q స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 5 6 are 30 ప్లస్ 1 ప్లస్ 4. సో ఈ బ్రాకెట్లో ఉన్నదాన్ని ఎన్ని తీసుకుంటే 5n ప్లస్ 4. సో మళ్ళీ సేమ్ ఈ థర్డ్ టర్మ్ రిపీట్ అయింది. ఓకే, సో ఈ స్ప్లిటింగ్ రావాలి మీకు. ఓకే, సో నెంబర్ ఎప్పుడైనా పెద్దది వచ్చినప్పుడు b కన్నా పెద్దగా ఉండదు. సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు స్ప్లిట్ దేర్. నెక్స్ట్ థర్డ్ కేస్ r ఈక్వల్ టు, ఫిఫ్త్ కేస్ r ఈక్వల్ టు 4. సో a is equal to 5 cube plus 4. So squaring, let's square. So when we are squaring, a cube is equal to 5 cube plus 4 whole square. So ఇది మళ్ళీ a plus b whole square formula. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, so దీన్ని 25q square అని రాయొచ్చు ప్లస్ ఈ 16 ప్లస్ 5 2s are 10, 10 4s are 40q. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు ఈ 16 చూడండి, ఈ 16 ఇట్ సైడ్ రాస్తున్నాను, కానీ 16 అనేది ఇట్ ఈస్ గ్రేటర్ దెన్ ఆర్ 5 వాల్యూ. ఓకే, ఆర్ b వాల్యూ ఇస్ 5. సో I can write it as 16. If I divide by 5, I get 5 3s are 15. Okay, so 16 I can write as 15 plus 1 remainder. So from all this I can take 5 common. So 5 common this is 5q square plus 8q plus 3, and this plus 1 you can write separately. So 5 into మళ్ళీ ఇవన్నీ ఇలా తీసుకుంటే 5n plus 1. So which is nothing but your second term. క్లియర్? సో ఇలా క్వశ్చన్లో స్క్వేర్ ఉంది కాబట్టి స్క్వేర్ చేసాం, క్యూబ్ ఉంటే క్యూబ్ చేసేవాళ్ళం. ఓకే. అండ్ మీకొచ్చిన ఆ లాస్ట్ ఏదైతే నంబర్ వస్తుందో, ఓకే, మీరు ఫార్ములా అప్లై చేసిన తర్వాత ఆ నంబర్ అనేది b కన్నా తక్కువ ఉండాలి. దీస్ ఆర్ ద 2 ఇంపార్టెంట్ థింగ్స్ యుల్ రిమెంబర్. దట్స్ ఇట్. So I'll give you a few more practice questions on this, and I hope I made this concept easy for you. Do share the sessions with all your friends. I request you to share. Okay, not to forget, please share it with all whoever is, afraid of max. And do subscribe to the channel and do like the video right now, and do comment because your comments are my motivation. Thank you so much, people. Bye bye. Take care.